Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what foods you need to bring when you are grinding for fish or like insects and stuff like that. But what I basically and usually bring is either the latte or coffee. It is because I have a lot of stock of the coffee anyways, as you can tell. Like I haven't cooked in a while. Um, but either the latte or coffee. I think for the mastery, you're also able to get like a really cool prize as well. Let me see. I don't know if it's right though, because my friend had like a coffee um bag. I don't know if he was being correct. I mean, he was like lying or not, but um you can also you might get that. But I still need to cook a lot of the lattes and the coffees and stuff like that. But they do bring a lot of energy, and the ingredients aren't very hard to come by. You just have to buy it from a CMO. So in my opinion, if you are grinding for that, you are going to want to bring those in your inventory. Another good thing is they sell really well, especially lattes. I think I was cooking a lot of the grape jam as well as the lattes and stuff like that. But yeah, that is what you should bring whenever you're grinding for stuff in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!